Hey darlings. Hi, it's so good to see you guys. I've missed you. Well, where have I been? I want to tell you what we've been doing. Welcome to my channel. I'm Lynn, also LuxLynneATL. According to the channel, right here, subscribe. Join me on all my travel adventures and my lifestyle. Today, I'm actually joining you guys in the midst of house hunting. So if you are new to my channel, I am local to north of Atlanta, but this video is gonna be all about lip gloss all on my lip, all about the fun stuff that we do when we're searching for homes. So stick with me. I want to show you some homes that I've been curious to check out, and also tell you guys a little bit about the process and where we are. So for me, I have a couple of things that are like my must-haves for homes. I'd say this is definitely going to be my dream home, investing a pretty little penny in it, and I just wanted to take you guys on that journey with us. I'll take you through what I'm seeing, what I am just curious about. Not so much the areas, because we all know Atlanta's huge and I do like to keep some of those things private, but I'll start to show you guys a little bit around what I like, what I love, and what are my, must-haves. There's one particular builder that I'm going to take you guys to see, because I'm sure you've heard of them. I think they are popping up all over Georgia, but I have been loving Toll Brothers properties for, oh my gosh, a while. So let me take you to what we're looking at, and we have until this summer to make a decision. We have until this summer to buy a house somewhere. So let's figure it out. Tell me what your must-haves are, because I know everyone has different things, but like for me, I love an open floor plan. I need some space because we have kids in and out from college, and one about to graduate and maybe another one. But in the meanwhile, I also like to have guest rooms for when families come to visit. I also like to see light. I like natural light, so I like lots of windows. I like outside areas for chilling. I like an amazing kitchen where I can cook and entertain. I like an entertaining home. Let me just say that. I like a space where I can entertain, because I always love to have my friends and my family over, and I like to cook for them. I like to, have some karaoke and some game nights. So having a space where people are comfortable and have space to relax and sit is important for me. I also love relaxed time because I'm a spa girl, so I love a bathroom. And other than that, my husband requires a man cave / office, so we're gonna find one of those for him. Let's see what's out there. Hey, so let me take you with us to this house. This right here is a Toll Brothers model home. We have been in love with Toll Brothers for a couple of years. We have a couple of friends that own a couple of Toll Brothers properties, and their homes are beautiful. They have finishes like no other. When you think of luxury home builder, I think Toll Brothers, and they totally meet the mark with their homes. The finishes are amazing. They give lots of light, lots of open floor plans, lots of beautiful kitchens and bathrooms and open areas and spaces to entertain. So this house was doing it for me. Like, y'all see these finishes? Y'all see this backsplash? And y'all see these details and the fireplace and the windows. It's beautiful. I have been sort of looking just to see what they have coming up as far as available homes. We've been looking at them for maybe about 2 years. Yeah. Now this little baby right here caught me off guard because it's in a community or a city that I'm not too familiar with, and only because I am an Atlanta girl born in the southwest of Atlanta. This is a little outside of my comfort zone, but I was like so impressed with the planning around how it's going to have more of a live, work, play, like maybe sort of an Avalon type feel. Property value, boom, check. Toll Brothers, check. Hey, space, check. Beautiful, beautiful finishes. I love the matte black. I love the white. I love the granite. I love the space. I love the bathrooms and the tubs. What's missing here, though? Like, what's missing? Is this the one, y'all? Is this the one? Hello, darlings. Okay, we're back. Okay, so let's update y'all. Let me give you the tea. So, remember I was telling you about Toll Brothers? We love us some Toll Brothers. We were caught with a couple of surprises. Still love the homes, but let's just say we were told some things about maybe the last year or so with Toll Brothers that caused us to totally go, stop right there. What did you say? I mean, it's a pretty little penny when you're buying a house, regardless of the price point. So if you're looking at something 250 to 400K, that's a huge investment. You're looking for something $1 million to 1.5, 1 or 2 million, regardless, money is hard earned, and you want your money to be well spent for the amount of money that those properties are going for. We were told that it ain't giving. It's not giving, y'all. So what I'm gonna say is preface this with an allegedly, but I do have some friends that stay there, and I asked them, and they said their homes have been doing A1 okay for them. There are no issues, but I do have to remember that their homes were built before the problem started, per se. The timeline is extremely important for us because we ain't got time for people to be jerking us around back and forth with, oh, it's not gonna be ready. Oh yeah, hey, it's gonna take another 12 months. So the properties we've been looking at are called quick move-ins, ones that have already been framed, flooring is already been started, cabinets are in or soon to be in. The timelines are something that are set to be sometime this summer or late summer. And so that's extremely important to us, even though yes, we could be flexible, but this is something that we have been looking at for a while. We were told for Toll Brothers properties are, even with a quick move in, it's gonna be 9 months. And then also from slab, nothing down, from a slab property with nothing actually being started, it's gonna take 16 months. So do I have 16 months to wait patiently? No. Also, even considering that, there's been some questions on the amount of quality. You wanna make sure your home is structurally sound, and we were just told some things have been a little shaky lately, and I need y'all to fix that for these people buying these homes. So that ain't where we wanna go. So this journey is still TBD because now we're gonna go look at some other builders. You know, I'm a firm believer of what's for us is for us, or what's for me is for me, but I'm doing this with my husband, so I'm gonna say what's for us is for us. And you know, we follow these intuitive signs of, hey, if you get something that says, try to go that way, that's what we're gonna do. The things that were a no-go for us were timeline, with it taking extremely long, and you know, just some things that we were hearing about that weren't, you know, being taken in consideration, like design finishes, you know, stonework not being the color that someone selected. I don't want any foundation issues. I don't want any plumbing issues. I don't want any waste my money issues. So moving forward, we're gonna look at some more builders. So I'm gonna take you guys with us, because there's a lot of builders out there, and I'm gonna say we're looking for a luxury property because this is the time for us. God has blessed us, and so we're gonna put our money in something that is speaking to us. So unfortunately, Toll Brothers ain't the one for us personally, not in 2023. Now when they get it together, you know, maybe down the line, who knows? But hey, come with us on this journey, and I can't wait to show you guys some more of the homes that we are going to view. And yes, we are interested in a new build. So please comment below if you've heard anything about, hey, some issues with new builds, questions that you have about the process, what we're looking for, what you may be looking for, and let's take this journey together. All right, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.